How to shop lightning deals on Amazon. Want a flash deal? This guide shows you how to shop lightning deals on Amazon so you can get a great discount before it's gone. First, open the Amazon shopping app and go to the today's deals section. You can find it on the homepage or in the main menu. On the deals section, you'll see a variety of deals including lightning deals. Lightning deals are time-limited deals on a limited number of products. You'll see a timer and a progress bar showing how much of the deal has been claimed. If the deal is still available, you'll see an Add to Cart button. Tap on it to add the product to your cart. If the deal is sold out, you can join the waitlist. If someone doesn't buy the item they add it to their cart, it will become available to the next person on the waitlist. You'll get a notification if the item becomes available, and you'll have a few minutes to buy it. It's a great way to get a great deal. You now know how to shop lightning deals on Amazon. Get ready to get a great discount. Like and subscribe for more app tips.